So hey, what's up guys, Android preview here. So in my hand this is the Redmi 6. So guys, this is not going to be the guys unboxing video, but guys, this is the first impression of this 6 guys, Redmi 6. So what exactly the Redmi 6 is guys? So you may notice guys, the global version has the Snapdragon processors, but guys, in this Redmi 6 you will get a MediaTek processor, the MediaTek Helio P22. I think it's cool guys. So let's see guys what exactly the system is running on this. So as you can see, the Android Nougat not guys, it's Oreo over here. So it's a good for the Redmi 6. And let me see what guys exactly if there is lag while being using of it. So I'm not finding any lag while swiping this. So yeah, this is cool. So supports the dual voltage, the plus point of it guys. And let's see that's what exactly if guys when we see let's say I play a game that I already installed on this guys. This is a Banjo game, so I literally enjoy this game while playing over it guys. But you can also play guys games like PUBG and the other NFS games guys. I tried the PUBG over here, and guys, there is no lag on playing on this game. And while also playing these games guys, like soft games guys, you can also see very much cool and the good graphics while playing the games guys. So as talking about this dual camera guys, the camera also very good over here. I tried a lot guys, and really much guys I see on this phone. So as we talk about the gaming experience of this phone guys, literally good for me. So guys, if you like this video, please guys do thumbs up, do subscribe, and guys please do share. I'm